Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to zoom in and out of videos in CapCut. First, select the video you want to edit. Now choose your mouse tool. We'll need to create keyframes here. Zoom in where you want the video to be closer. Click Scale. Let's say I want to zoom here, so I'll click the keyframe button. Next, I want it to zoom out here. I'll adjust the scale to my liking. Now, to return to the original size, a keyframe is auto-created. To stop creating keyframes, just uncheck this box and it'll transition automatically. Here's the zoomed in part. Now I'll zoom out by adding a keyframe. It adds automatically. This creates the zoom out effect. That's all for today. This has been See you next time.